your design team makes decisions every day. Are you sure this actually aligns with industry standards? Let's figure that out. Hi, I'm Ilya, the founder of Eleken, a product design agency for SaaS. Today, I'll reveal the 9 fundamental UI/UX design principles that our experienced designers rely on to navigate through any design challenge. Principle number 1 is meet users' needs. In other words, the main principle you should build your design around sounds like put the user first. UI/UX design is customer-centered, meaning you need to consider whether your design satisfies customers' needs and helps users achieve their goals. It's crucial to walk in customers' shoes and understand what they are looking for when interacting with your app. A UX designer and a design director of Mail Protector, Jeremy Nye, said that U in UX doesn't mean you, but user. Whatever excellent you think your design is, the actual customers may feel the opposite. Try looking impartially and reveal through UX research what customers really need. If you want more information on how to do UX research, I have a dedicated video on this topic. Feel free to check this out. Principle number 2, speak customers' language. Take for granted that nobody will spend extra time guessing what you wanted to say with niche jargon or technical terms. The system should speak a real-life language. Visual metaphors should also correspond to the real-world experience. The concept of recycle bin on Mac, for example, would be easily caught even by those who had never seen any PC before. Principle number 3, organize content clearly. This principle is talking about information hierarchy that helps users easily navigate through the website or app design. When you come to a random website, more likely you will see the navigation bar showing the main sections like About, Products, Prices, Contact Us, etc. These sections make up the primary hierarchy. If you hover over one of them, the subsection appear, announcing what you will find diving deeper into the website. The more logical you arrange your sitemap, the easier it will be for customers to navigate, and the smoother user experience they will eventually have. Principle number 4, don't overwhelm, be simple. To put it in another way, every design element that doesn't assist in users' goal achievement should be eliminated. The unnecessary information distracts customers from their primary purpose, wasting cognitive and operational resources. A good example of a less is more philosophy in design is the AI Writer, an app looking for a plain sheet without any distractive content or information. The simple UI allows writers to concentrate on the creative process, making it easier to get into the flow, yet providing users with helpful tools to improve their writing. Principle number 5, keep design consistent. When people start using a new product, they expect it to be similar to what they have already experienced before. This way, users may reduce the cognitive load they encounter trying to learn something new. Design consistency follows the idea of so-called transferable knowledge. Microsoft adheres to this concept, making design consistent throughout all products. For example, using Microsoft Word will help quickly adopt Excel or PowerPoint, which have similar UI concepts. Being comfortable for users, design consistency makes the design process easier for UI and UX designers as well. There is no need to continuously create new solutions when starting to work on a new product. Consistency in UI embraces visual consistency. All elements should look the same within one product. Functional consistency. All objects should work in the same way, preventing users from becoming confused with unexpected changes in item functionality. Expectations consistency. Using hundreds of different websites, users form certain expectations from how some interface components should work or look. If you destroy their expectations with a super creative design solution, users will thank you with frustration and a high bounce rate. Principle number 6, give feedback on users' actions. Is there anything on earth more frustrating than pushing a button on a website and having no idea what's happening? Great UX design should always inform customers on their system status and action progress. Say you started download the file and naturally expect the website to show you some sort of a progress bar or countdown to understand how much time is left. In its essence, the design feedback is a dialogue between humans and machines. The design may respond by altering the target button's color, shape, or any other visible changes. Or, for example, you can show how many minutes are left to complete the tasks. To illustrate what I'm talking about, look at this GIF. Do you see the button's color is changing? That's how the system is interacting with users. Relevant error messages are as important as feedback. Users will have a better experience if, together with explicit communication of an error, you will give them hints on how the problem can be solved. Here's how MailChimp offers to recover your password when you cannot recall it. You can also create preventive messages warning users about possible issues. For instance, Gmail uses pop-ups to notify customers about missing attachments. Principle number 7, allow users to control the process. People like feeling that everything is under control. When we know that our mistakes can be easily fixed, this gives us more freedom to explore new options and inspires us to be courageous and creative. The top-of-mind option that gives control in our hands is undo. This function is critically important for text and graphic editors when the creative process implies multiple changes to achieve perfection. action. Also, undo is helpful when users perform an action by mistake and want to backpedal it. For instance, Gmail sends a notification message offering to undo just deleted email. I'm sure the possibility to rewind the wrong action saves millions of lives. Definitely, mine is on the list. Thanks to Apple's notification asking if I'm sure to permanently delete the items in the trash. I rescued the file that cost me tons of time and nerves. Principle number 8. Make interaction a no-brainer. Whether your user is an advanced expert or a no-clue newbie, the interactions with your website or app should be comfortable for both. For those who start using your product, tutorials and explanations would be helpful. For customers who are already familiar with the functionality, you should offer shortcuts to shorten the path to the mostly used actions. Principle number 9. Mind accessibility. It's a designer's responsibility to ensure that people with various impairments, temporary or permanent, will have a hassle-free experience interacting with the website or application. When designing a product, it's crucial to build it for users with poor vision and those who have a motor, hearing, and cognitive impairments, like for example dyslexia. I hope this video was useful for you. If you want to see more content like this, comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so YouTube notifies you the next time my video comes out. See you soon.